The bird with the Latin name Erithacus rubecula, commonly known as the European robin, is a small passerine bird found across Europe, parts of North Africa and Western Asia. It is easily recognizable by its distinctive orange-red breast and face, contrasted with brownish upperparts and a whitish belly. European robins are known for their melodious and cheerful songs, which are often heard year-round, especially during the breeding season. These birds inhabit a variety of environments, including woodlands, gardens, parks, and hedgerows. They are territorial and often defend their space aggressively, especially during the breeding season. European robins primarily feed on insects, worms, and other small invertebrates, but they also consume fruits and seeds, particularly in winter. European robins are known for their bold and curious nature, often approaching humans, especially when gardening activities disturb the soil, revealing potential food sources. They typically nest in crevices, holes, or sheltered spots close to the ground, laying 4 to 6 eggs per clutch. Despite their small size, European robins hold a significant place in European culture and folklore, often symbolizing hope, renewal, and the arrival of spring. They are a beloved species among birdwatchers and gardeners alike.